Today we're going to be taking a look at this pull-out sofa couch. It requires very little assembly and no tools whatsoever. In this video, we're going to show you what comes in the box, demo this for you, and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own.
This comes packaged in one box. The box is very heavy, but we opened it and took all the individual pieces out, which then made it way more manageable. When I said that there was absolutely no tools required, I forgot about the fact that this does have a leg. So there is an Allen key for 2 screws, but for all intents and purposes, it doesn't require any tools. The instruction manual is incredibly easy to follow. They include pictures of everything, which is really nice. And all of the cushions are packaged in this protective plastic. They are shrink wrapped, so they make that wonderful noise when you open them up. There is very little assembly with this brand of furniture, and we absolutely love it. We have a set over here already that we use on a daily basis, and it was so easy to put together. I'm hoping that this one is equally as easy to put together. Just in case you're wondering what this is a support leg because this lays all the way flat in order to turn into a bed. So this is the back of the couch, and then once you lay it all the way flat, you have this support leg. Now, there's a little button on the bottom that you can use to push it down for storage when it's not in use. When you are putting this on, make sure that this part goes down toward the bottom, like where the feet are. It goes up and over. Do not try to set it down on it. It goes up and over. So this is what it should look like in step 2. The back slides in from the top. You have to rip this piece of fabric off of all of the Velcro strips. I forgot to put the feet on. It's not the end of the world. Just go ahead and tip it up and put the feet on the bottom. I just noticed that it has side pockets. That is so amazing. The side pockets are on both sides. So you have 2 sets of side pockets. This can be tucked away when not in use. So we're gonna put the casters on it and it rolls easily in and out. There are 4 casters. And once again, no tools are required. So you just screw them into the bottom. There is a little bracket here that you have to lift up and over this bar, and that will keep this from moving away from the couch. Okay, so now it is unable to go rogue.
Let's sit for real. TV's over there. It's comfortable. And when you're tired, with a little adjustment, grab yourself a pillow. That's also part of the armrest. Stretch out.
It is incredibly easy to put it from bed mode to couch mode. All you do is lift up the backrest, which does have multiple adjustments. You'll hear it click. You can lean it back 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, or all the way down with the leg. And then you just push the drawer into the bottom and poof, it's a couch.
This would be perfect in a kid's room. We're gonna actually put it in the loft because there's not a lot of space up there. So this will serve as a couch and a bed for our son when he stays over in the loft. If you're looking for a space-saving sofa bed, this is a really great option.